4.5 billion years ago, there was no Earth, no oceans, no life, no sky. Just a vast cloud of gas and dust drifting through space. But hidden inside that cloud was a chain of events that would eventually lead to you watching this video. Today, we're going to travel through the entire history of Earth, from a world of fire and molten rock to the rise of oceans, the age of dinosaurs, the appearance of humans, and perhaps even the future of our species. And by the end, you may realize that our story is only a tiny chapter in Earth's much larger journey. It all began when gravity pulled together a giant cloud known as the solar nebula. At its center, pressure became so intense that hydrogen atoms fused into helium, igniting the newborn sun. Around it, countless particles of dust collided and merged over millions of years, slowly forming the planets of our solar system. Among them was a young Earth, a violent, unstable world. During its early formation, a Mars-sized object slammed into our planet. The impact was catastrophic, blasting enormous amounts of debris into space. Over time, that debris gathered together and formed the Moon, Earth's constant companion for billions of years. The earliest Earth was a true hellscape. Volcanoes erupted across its surface. Rivers of lava covered the planet. The atmosphere was thick, toxic, and trapped immense amounts of heat. Liquid water could not exist. If you stood there for even a second, survival would be impossible. But Earth was changing. As millions of years passed, the planet slowly cooled. Water vapor condensed into rain that may have fallen for thousands or even millions of years. Eventually, the first oceans appeared, transforming Earth into a water world. And somewhere within those ancient seas, something extraordinary happened. Life emerged. Simple microscopic organisms began to thrive. Among them were cyanobacteria, tiny life forms that changed the planet forever by releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Over time, oxygen levels rose, altering Earth's climate and paving the way for complex life. But Earth had another surprise. The planet grew colder. Vast ice sheets spread across the globe. Earth entered periods so cold that ice may have reached nearly every corner of the planet. Yet once again, life endured. As conditions improved, continents shifted, plants spread across the land, and ecosystems flourished. Life exploded into incredible diversity. Then, around 250 million years ago, a new age began. The age of dinosaurs. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs dominated the skies, oceans, and continents. Giant predators hunted across ancient landscapes, while massive herbivores roamed forests, unlike anything alive today. They ruled Earth for longer than humans have even existed. And then, in an instant, at least by geological standards, it ended. An enormous asteroid struck Earth with unimaginable force. The impact triggered fires, darkness, climate collapse, and one of the greatest mass extinctions in history. The dinosaurs vanished, but their disappearance created an opportunity. Mammals expanded, evolution continued, and eventually one species emerged with a unique ability to understand the universe itself: humans. In only a tiny fraction of Earth's history, humans transformed the planet. We built civilizations, explored space, unlocked the atom, and began asking questions about our cosmic origins. Yet our power came with consequences. Forests disappeared, ecosystems changed, resources dwindled. For the first time in Earth's history, a single species gained the power to shape the future of an entire planet. And now humanity faces a choice. Will we preserve the world that gave us life? Will we spread beyond Earth and become an interplanetary civilization? Or will we become just another extinct chapter in the long history of this planet? Because Earth's story isn't over, and the next chapter may be the one we write ourselves.